In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a demo account inside of Fusion Markets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fusionmarkets.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once you're inside of here, it should look something like this. And now from here you'll need to either create a new account or log into your account if you don't, or if you already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see that you need to write in your email address, or you can also use your Google ID or Apple ID to sign in. Once you're inside of the dashboard, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go over to the trading accounts over here in the menu, and then from here, you'll need to go up to create account. From here, you'll be able to see this page right here where you can create a new trading account, and from here, you'll just need to choose a demo account. And from here, you can choose the trading platform where you can choose between MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, TradingView, or CTrader. You'll also be able to add an account type where you can either choose 0 or Classic, the base currency that you can choose between all of these like Euro, British Pounds, USD, or any of these other ones. You can also add a leverage if you want to do that, or max leverage. You can also add the amount that you want to add inside of this demo account. And don't worry, you can always add more into the demo account on a later date. Down here, you can also add a ref code if you want to do that. But when you're done, you'll simply need to click Create Account. Once you're done that, you'll see that your account has been successfully created. And once you get over to the demos over here, then you'll be able to see your demo account right here. Now from here, if you want to show more, then you'll get the account name, the platform, the server ID, and then you can just open up MetaTrader 5, CTrader, MetaTrader 4, TradingView, and just log in using this demo account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!